Bill, smiling is strictly prohibited. Oh, he's doing it, man. He's really doing it.
We should do. We should test those two mic lines too.
Yeah, you might as well wind that back way
I
back.
was just going to do that because
That's the discount price.
that's what I suspected.
Huh?
I think we just got a relay that didn't switch in here. The problem is we're just looking at leakage into the meters.
Yeah, that looks like leakage, all right. Let's go along with that.
Track bus machine. Could be one of these. That's up to that. Meters are not reading.
Oh, there's one more thing I didn't write down. Channel 2 only sends reverb to one side.
That's probably a broken wire.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're
Okay,
going to
put on the list there if we can at the bottom.
These meters are not in the area that we're there. Well, let's mention the stereo buses because the signal there, the meters are not getting. How's that?
Okay.
Pretty fair.
Jeez, man.
There should be a lot of level on the stereo bus when I do this. Stereo bus is 03. Here's the left side. A lot of level?
Okay, let me get.
Yeah. I'll see you guys.
Okay,
Okay.
a lot of square wave, low level.